Here we got a 1934 Ford 3-window coupe and 350 Chevy Ford 8-inch rear, 700 R4 overdrive transmission, automatic boost wheels. The car's like pretty though. I mean, it's like, you know, somebody spend, when they look like this, somebody spent mega hours on that body, man. Just take a look around here at the engine. It's a 350 Chevy. I love those air cleaners, man. It's a nice design. You got the AC, alternator, chromed out brake booster, master cylinder, aluminum radiator, suicide doors, open up. It's got the aftermarket modern mirrors. They go great with it. You got a nice armrest in there too, man. That didn't come with it. Power windows. Power windows, power door locks. See? It'll cruise down the highway with that overdrive transmission too. Yeah, that's the gas. So when you close that trunk, nobody can get in your gas tank. That's good. From Montana. I never saw this car here either. First time. So anyway, it's nicely done. You can drive the crap out of this thing. You can take this cross country. Although, you probably want to spray it down with some kind of clear vinyl chip resistant things before that paint go. Drive across country.